In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your monday.com API key quickly and easily. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate monday.com into your projects or an admin managing your team's account, knowing how to access your API key is crucial. Let's get started. First, head over to monday.com, open your browser, and in the address bar type in monday.com or simply click the link if you have it bookmarked. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the login button. If you've previously registered with monday.com, you can sign in either with Google or by typing in your email address associated with your account. If you choose to sign in with Google, a window will pop up displaying the different Google accounts linked to your browser. Go ahead and select the email address you're using for your work or project. Now, to proceed with obtaining the monday.com API key, you need to ensure you hold admin privileges. The API key is only accessible to account admins, so if you're not an admin, you'll have to request access from someone who is. Assuming you are an admin, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the avatar that represents your account. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there click on Administration. This brings you to the admin page, where you can adjust various settings for your account. On the left sidebar of this page, you'll notice an option that says Connections. Click on that to proceed. With the Connections page open, focus your attention on the top menu and select the API tab. This section is where you'll find your personal monday.com API token. If you already have a token generated, it will be visible here. However, if you do not, you'll need to click on Generate to create your API token. Once the key appears on your screen, locate the copy button positioned to the right of your API token. Click on it, which enables you to paste the token elsewhere as needed. Remember that this token is unique to you and serves as a passport of sorts for accessing monday.com's features. It's essential to keep this token safe and not share it with others who don't need access. Finally, keep in mind that each admin on your account will have their own unique API key. Maintaining the security of these keys is critical, as they can be used to access and manipulate data within your account. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process to retrieve and secure your monday.com API key. Keep this information handy for future use and enjoy the capabilities the API unlocks for your projects and workflow.